This is my new washing machine that I got delivered last Friday. Got a nice little dial there, easy to use, power button, time to go, start. Lovely big drum. So really easy to use. So I've got power button. We can go for everyday use. See, it all changes here for the time. We've got sports wash, we've got super quick wash, we've got a rinse, spin, drum clean, wool, allergy, bulky, delicate, synthetic, heavy, and cottons again. Really good thing is that you can either delay it or put a time saver on it, so it takes the time down. Brilliant. You can also change. There's only certain ones that you can change, but you can change it, and the time changes too. Soak wrinkle free eco, rinse pre-wash, add a garment. That's amazing. Okay, so on this one I'm only going to put it on a quick wash, so it's on time. I'm going to put it on a 40. The quick wash doesn't do a time saver because it's already really quick. So we go along here and press the button, and the light comes on, so you can see what's in there. It is amazing. The washing comes out really clean. It smells gorgeous, and it's just an amazing washing machine. I wish I'd got one earlier. And the really great thing about this washing machine, which I love, is this little button here where it says stop, pause. Because it was spinning, it wouldn't open straight away, but it opens up. You can put another item in there, you can close the door, and you can start again, and it starts. When you've got kids, it's a brilliant addition to the washing machine. Drawer. Got 3 sections. Got comfort in there, liquid in that one. Take the drawer out, you can put your powder in. That is my new washing machine, and I love it.